Alright guys, you asked for it. You wanted to see the creepy schoolhouse. There it is. Now it's creepy during the day, but we're going to take a look at it here. It's very cool. We're going to take a peek. It's all boarded up, of course. First I want to see... Oh. It's a ton of ice everywhere. See if there's anything underneath here. Can't really see much. Still ice everywhere. There it is. Cut it up so no one can get in there. Go around the side, take a peek. Now, when I first came up here, it was dusk. It was getting dark. I had peeked through this little crack here to take a picture. So you can see what's in there. Not much. And there you go. Ooh, there's an attic. Or attic, whatever. Pretty cool. Kind of wonder if anyone's lived in here since there's kind of an opening. Very interesting though. You can see the stack from the old chimney, which is pretty damn neat. It's pretty cool. I wonder what's back there. Think I'm gonna have to climb in? Alright guys, well I'm inside now. Just want to see what's in that room back there. Trying to walk carefully because I don't know. These boards might cave through. Well, nothing much. Except for being super creepy. It's pretty empty. Alright, so that solves that. Pretty cool though. This board does not feel stable, so now I'm leaving.
What does it say in the corner?
Oh, it's the old chalkboard.
What does it say?
It says 1936. Brian, we are infinite. We are infinite. Huh. Alright, that's it. That concludes this one. Stay tuned for some more creepy videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.